Hey, what's up? Zigzer here. Frustrated because your iPhone contacts aren't showing up in WhatsApp when you try to send a message? In this video, I will walk you through troubleshooting steps to fix this issue and get you back to chatting with your contacts on WhatsApp. Let's go. When you're having trouble finding someone from your directories, the first thing to check is whether WhatsApp has access to your contacts. Head to Settings and scroll down to Privacy and Security. Go to Contacts and verify that WhatsApp is toggled on. Additionally, some iPhone restrictions might be blocking WhatsApp. Check your screen time settings. And if it's enabled, navigate to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Under Contacts, ensure Allow Changes is selected and WhatsApp is switched on. Finally, to guarantee that the new permissions take effect, force quit WhatsApp after making these adjustments. Now, your contacts should be ready to chat with on WhatsApp. If you're still missing contacts after checking permissions, make sure WhatsApp is up to date. Updates are usually automatic, but you can check manually. Open the App Store and search for WhatsApp. If a new version is available, an update button will appear. Keeping your apps up to date ensures you have the latest features and bug fixes, which might resolve the missing contacts issue. Try reinstalling the app if updating WhatsApp doesn't solve the current issue. This can clear up any data corruption or conflicts that are causing the problem. On your home screen or app library, press and hold the WhatsApp icon and delete the application. Once it's gone, head back to the App Store. Search for WhatsApp again and reinstall it on your device. After installation, launch the app and sign in with your account. Remember to grant access to your contacts when the Allow prompt appears. This should ensure WhatsApp can see your contact list again. In most cases, checking permissions, updating WhatsApp, or reinstalling the app should resolve the missing contacts issue. But if you've tried all three without success, try restarting your device. Sometimes a minor software glitch can prevent WhatsApp from showing your contacts, and a quick restart can often clear it right up. Keep in mind, though, that the specific combination of keys required to do this may vary depending on the model of iPhone you have. For iPhones with Face ID, such as iPhone 10, iPhone 11, or any newer model, do the following steps. The following procedure also applies for iPhone 8 and iPhone SE. Press and quickly release the volume up and volume down buttons respectively. Then press and hold the side button. Once the Apple logo appears, release the side button and wait for your iPhone to restart. On the other hand, the process is slightly different on the iPhone 7. In this case, you need to press and hold both the volume down and side buttons simultaneously. Continue holding both buttons until the Apple logo appears on the screen. For those with an iPhone 6s or earlier, press and hold both the sleep and home buttons at the same time. Keep holding both buttons and release them when the Apple logo appears. If the issue is still not resolved after the forced restart, your last option is to contact WhatsApp support for further assistance. To submit a request, navigate through Settings, go to Help, and tap on Help Center. Scroll down and click Contact Support. Provide a detailed description of the problem you're experiencing and click Next to submit. Once submitted, WhatsApp will review information like diagnostics, performance data, and metadata associated with your account. Just wait for a response via direct message within WhatsApp itself. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.